Hi guys, and welcome to my third video of my healthy living series. Now today I'm going to speak to you about snacking smartly, healthy snacking and snacking in general. This is something I've wanted to speak to you guys about for a while, and also I've received quite a few requests about people wanting me to speak about this topic. So when we think of snacking, we think of chocolates, we think of crisps, we think of sweets, something sugary, something quick and easy to have, something you can grab, and more importantly, something that tastes good and also something that you crave. So between meals, it's completely normal to snack. There are many benefits to snacking, and also healthier snacking gives you a lot more health benefits. Now, if you're working, especially if you're working from home, it's normal to feel hungry. If you're having a busy and stressful day, having a cup of tea with a really nice snack can help and make things better. Now, it's okay to have crisps and chocolates once in a while or once a day, but it's also more important to incorporate healthy snacks into your balanced diet and to make you feel better. Now, healthy snacks might seem boring. You may feel like, okay, I don't fancy this, I don't want this, but I'm going to give you some tips today. I'm going to give you some examples, and during the week I'll also be sharing some recipes with you that will hopefully change your mind, and hopefully you guys will be open to trying some of them. Now, I started healthy snacking a few months ago, and within a couple of days I felt so much better within my body. So snacking can give you a huge number of benefits. It can make you feel a lot better within yourself. It boosts your mood, it boosts your energy, you can work better. It allowed me to feel so much better during the day. I also found that if I was to have a healthy snack as opposed to unhealthy snack, it kept me full during the day. If I was to eat a crisp or a chocolate, I would find that a couple of hours later or 1 hour later, I was hungry and I'd have to eat again. Whereas having like a fruit or a vegetable or some of the snack recipes that I've been making, I felt full, and that was good enough for me until my main meal. Now, the most important thing is it provides you with a sufficient number of vitamins, minerals and nutrients throughout the day, which is what your body needs to carry on. Whether you're working or whatever you're doing, you want your body to feel great. So a few examples I'm going to share with you, the main one being fruit and veg. Fruit and veggies are extremely important, and we all know the whole 5 a day aim. Now, even if you don't want to start with 5 a day, that's completely fine. You don't need to go like from 0 to 100 and start doing this straight away. You can start off with 3 pieces of fruit or veg a day and then slowly titrate it up to 5. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have fruit or veg as a snack. You can have a piece of fruit or something as part of your breakfast. You can have a salad or veg with your lunch or dinner. I personally would like to have some fruit with hummus. I will be sharing a hummus recipe with you guys later, or with some Greek yogurt or anything like that. I know apple and peanut butter is really good, banana with some golden syrup and honey. You can make your snacks more exciting rather than just having the bog standard piece of fruit. And more importantly, having it with these different things gives you an increase in protein, gives you an increase in fiber, and it's you being healthy. It's as simple as that. Now, it's not bad, as I mentioned, to have crisps or chocolate. I usually will have one of these things during the day just to keep my energy levels up, and because they're nice to have, you crave them. Being healthy doesn't mean you have to cut these out. It's all part of having a balanced diet. However, it's also good to incorporate healthier things to make you feel a lot better. Now, the main thing is to count how many snacks you have a day. Ideally, you should be aiming for 2 or 3 snacks a day. Some people have about 1 snack at about 4 o'clock. That's fine, but ideally you should be having about 2 to 3 snacks a day. It's important to look at the portion size. Are you having a huge amount so you then can't eat after, or are you having just the right amount to keep you full? As I mentioned before, snacking is good because it means you're not overeating. If you weren't to have anything between breakfast, lunch and dinner, and if you were to just have lunch or dinner, it would lead to you overindulging or overeating. Now, snacking on foods with a high intake of fat or sugar, it can lead you to being full a lot quicker. Therefore, it could mean you could have less of the 3 main meals, which means you could not be getting enough nutrients in your body. And as I mentioned before, if you snack on something high in sugar or high in fat, you're more likely to want something again after, which means you won't have your proper meal of the day later on. Now, definitely one thing that I would say is to plan ahead in terms of snacking. plan your snacks. I'll be showing something that you can make in bulk, good snacks that you can make that last a few days. Planning gives you more health benefits because it allows you to plan something you can have healthier, whereas if on the day you go shopping, you're more likely to just pick up a packet of crisps or pick up chocolate. Even things like granola bars, they're good to have by giving you the nutrients that you need. However, some contain a lot of trans fats, which are the bad fats in the body, and also a huge amount of sugar. Another good thing to have is making your own granola, which I will also be sharing with you. This allows you to control your sugar intake and also allows you to put what you want into it. Now, in terms of having chocolate, dark chocolate is great, as I mentioned in my superfood videos. I will also be sharing a recipe with you. However, having a piece of chocolate or a chocolate bar, whether it's white chocolate, milk chocolate, mainly a chocolate bar, having something like hot chocolate gives you a less amount of fat and a less amount of sugar, but it tastes great at the same time. So it's just thinking, you know, instead of this, can I have a healthy alternative which will also give me the same amount of satisfaction? Instead of having crisps, having things like popcorn or tortilla chips or pita or breadsticks with hummus. These are all ways that you can snack healthier. Now, what I'll be doing is I'll be posting recipes a couple during the week. So I hope that you'll find them beneficial. I hope that I'd like to share them with you and you'll find them great to make. These are recipes that are going to be quick and easy to make, things that you can make in bulk, as I mentioned before. And more importantly, you want them to taste great. Otherwise, you're just going to think, okay, no, this is boring. I'd rather prefer something that I really taste. So I hope you found this beneficial. I hope you've enjoyed my videos. And please let me know if you have any questions or anything that I can help you with. Thank you, guys.